any symbol. Let us understand the different types of keys present on a keyboard. Numeric keys from 0 to 9. Alphabet keys from A to Z. Caps lock key. Space bar key. Delete key. Numeric keypad. Enter key and arrow keys. Let us discuss about the alphabet keys. Alphabet keys have letters on them from A to Z. You can see the top row of this keypad. It is given as Q, W, E, R, T, Y, U, I, O and P. These keys are not given in alphabetical order. Alphabet keys are 26 in number. We can type letters, words and sentences with the help of alphabet keys. Let us see the number keys. Number keys have numbers on them like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 0. You can type any number with the help of these keys. These keys are 10 in number. Number keys are present above the alphabet keys. We can type any numeric value with the help of these keys. Let us see what is a numeric keypad. A numeric keypad is present on the right hand side of the keyboard. Numbers from 0 to 9 are present on it. Before using this numeric keypad, first of all you have to press the numlock key. Do you know, children, what are special keys? The special keys have different symbols on them, such as exclamatory sign, @ of, hash, dollar, percentage, caret, ampersand, asterisk, and different types of brackets. These keys are used to perform specific functions. Space bar key. It is also a type of special key. The space bar key is the longest key on the keyboard. It is used to give space between the words. Caps lock key. Caps lock key is also a type of special key. The caps lock key is used to type letters in capitals. By pressing the caps lock key once, the caps lock light will turn on. Now, if you will type any alphabet key from the keyboard, it will be typed in its capital form. Enter key. Enter key is also a type of special key. The enter key is used to bring the cursor to the next line on the monitor. A keyboard has two enter keys. Now, let us discuss about the arrow keys. There are four types of arrow keys on the keyboard. These arrow keys are used to move the cursor on the screen in different directions, such as up, down, right or left. Up arrow key is used to move the cursor up. Down arrow key is used to move the cursor down. Left arrow key is used to move the cursor to the left. And right arrow key is used to move the cursor to the right. Let us understand what is the use of backspace key. Children, while typing, if you make any spelling mistake, then you can erase it with the help of backspace key. Backspace key erases the letters to the left side of the cursor. Delete key. It is also used to erase the wrong letter or any word. The delete key erases the letter to the right side of the cursor. Let us discuss about the punctuation keys. All of you know that punctuation marks are the special symbols that are used while writing a paragraph or a sentence. Do you know why we use these symbols? These symbols are used to bring the clarity in a language. Some common punctuation marks are comma, full stop, question mark, and exclamation mark. Do you know, children, what is a combination key? A key that is used in combination with another key for doing a particular operation is called the combination key. For example, Shift key, Alt key, and Control key. Let us see the use of Shift key. The Shift key is used to type special symbols and punctuation marks present on the upper part of the keys. There are two Shift keys on the keyboard. Let us understand the use of a Control key. Control key is marked as CTRL. It is used in combination with other keys to perform certain actions. For example, if you will press Ctrl and Home key together, then it will move the cursor to the top of the document. And if you will press Ctrl and AND key together, then it will move the cursor to the end of the document. Let us discuss about Alt key. This key is marked as ALT. It is used in combination with other keys to perform certain actions. For example, if you will press Alt key and function key F4 together, then it will close the program. If you will press Control key, Alt key and Delete key together, then it will shut down the computer. So children, this is all about the different types of keys and their functions. I hope all of you understood it well.